Book review. Again, it's a cookbook with healthy recipes, but this one is mostly with beautiful pictures. There is not actually as many recipes. So this couple, you can follow them even on Instagram and Facebook. They're on social media for many years. Green Kitchen Stories. That's how you find them. And they have 3 children. They are vegetarian. So they have, for example, even like a vegan nut and seed bread, lentil and strawberry tacos. They have a cherry salad, dal with curry, zuppa di ribollita, how to make a sweet potato gnocchi. So I think this book is very nice for somebody who likes to spend time in the kitchen and cooking and experimenting with different meals, who likes vegetarian food. I personally used maybe only 2 recipes out of it, but I like to look at their pictures. So I think it's a really nice present for somebody. Beautiful book, and they have many of them.